flood warning for the island of Oahu until 4:30 p.m. At 1:16 p.m., radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling over already saturated ground, with rain rates up to 2 inches per hour. As additional heavy rain is approaching from the south, very high stream levels are likely to rise further. A landslide has resulted in the closure of the Pali Hwy townbound, and water levels are very high in Kailapulu Canal near Kailua Beach Park. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southern and eastern portions of Oahu. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Do not cross fast-flowing or rising water in your vehicle or